Good morning, students. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a website called Graficto that we are going to be using for our natural disaster PBLs. This is going to be for the section where we are kind of just displaying our knowledge and understanding and what we've gathered from our research on how to do the main three components of natural disasters, which would be how to prepare yourself for a natural disaster, what to do if you are stuck in a natural disaster, and then how to best restore and rebuild, kind of clean up your community after the fact. So Graficto is pretty similar to Canva. If y'all have used that, it's just a way to create cute little presentations and customize them to your liking using their different graphics. As you can see, this is the main section. You can scroll down and see all these different examples of templates. It only gives like these few sections on the main page. Anything with a diamond like you see right here on the screen is going to be for a premium, but y'all do not need to worry about that. They have plenty of options here. You don't need to get the premium to get the best selection. As you can see, I clicked the little arrow right here next to templates, and it allows you to pick a more specific section of templates to view that would work best for your presentation. The top three that I would recommend looking at would be timeline, list, or steps, just because it will kind of give that effect of one to the next to the next. And it just lets you go and check out like these are the charts, timelines, and steps, just for a few examples. I will show y'all my graphic that I created for these, just so you can see a more specific example for our actual project. So when I click edit, this is what pulls up. This is the quick presentation that I created for y'all. So first you have the items section, which is going to be these, I have three, so it's going to be these three sections. You have this little thing right here where you can search a symbol that you're looking for, and that is the little icon that pops up. In my case, these little diamond shaped symbols, and then you do a title for that section, and then we have a description right here that goes right under. And I do want to say, just make your descriptions short, simple, sweet, to the point, because there is a character limit, so you can't really squeeze too much in there. And then it allows you to, as you can see, add item, which would bring you to this next one and the following one, so on and so forth. There is a heading option, which my template doesn't need a heading, so that one didn't really matter for mine. Then you have different color palettes. As you can see, there are some that are premiums, and customizing templates and things like that are premium, but you have still a very good amount of options to choose from. You do have to follow the color template though. They just are created in that color order, so you can't really change each icon or change each item's color and like flip through all the different palettes for each one. And then our fonts right here, these are the main ones, but you can also scroll down to the bottom and they have this one other option that is not a premium option. And if you decide as you're moving along and getting further into your presentation that you just don't like the layout, you can just simply click this button and it shows you all of the other templates, so you can just make that switch real quick. And as you see at the top right here as well, it has the more specific names of the sections for you to find different ones a lot quicker. So I hope this helped y'all gain a better understanding of how to use this, and y'all will create beautiful presentations. Thank you.